Cheers mates, checking cranks. Most important thing is if the crankshafts are twistable or not, if the press fit is fine or too low, how this pin is sitting in the crankshaft. Do you need a pro? Of course you can take a pro, but you can also check it yourself. If this press fit is fine, you won't have a chance with a 1 kilo copper hammer. Twist it twice, not brutal, just with the back original cranks. You cannot twist them. Piaggio, original, for that 5 horsepower, 9 horsepower, so low end power, not twistable. I made a smiley here. When was that? 2019. That's the level where we start. Because what's good for original with low power, that's at least needed for tuning cranks. Then, guess what? I just tested a 350, 400 euro crankshaft and tested 3 of them. Bingo. 2 are fine, 1 is not. One is on the starter side with 2 low press fit. And how does that look like? The third one, the initial measurement was 0, 0 next to the cheeks, and outside stump was 1, 1. After knocking, then we run 2 here. And this was 1 before. Which means it's worse than an original crank. 1 kilo hammer, you hold it in your hand, and maybe you see it in other videos, you just make zack, zack, and that's it. Mazzochelli prima tist, and in this case, expensive one is not as good as the cheap one. In terms of not usable for tuning, usable for tuning. Of course, Conrod is cheaper, etc. and so on. Basically good cranks, but in this case, sorry mates. 2 zip cranks, Mazzochelli for zip, prima tist for zip, 360 bucks, 190 bucks. Press fit, starter side is too low. The cheek is twistable. This one here is fine. You can piaggio crankshaft. You cannot twist them. That's the minimum which tuning cranks have to provide, isn't it? Cheers mates. See ya. That's the replacement crankshaft I got after I sent it back, and this is kind of a bit tricky to measure, but between 1 and 2, and it's perfectly fine. And this doesn't change if you knock the crank. So this is a good crank and the absolute recommendation. So no offense, boys. All fine, all good. Cheers, mates.